principle,
yes.
which is proportionality.
Yes.
And the idea is that usi proportion se bring in the women and usi proportion se bring in the minorities so that they have representation as well. Because at the end of the day, that right cannot be ignored.
Yes. Otherwise, what happens
It is not per se the right that we're looking at of a specific political party.
I bow.
It is the right of proportionality, which is the voters' right, and the right of bringing in these people who are not generally or do not easily come into the system.
So the voters have voted for independence. They've given them the authority to join a party. The independents have joined a party. Now the constitution allows that party to share in the reserved seats for women and for non-Muslims. And when they do that,
suppose the independent joined the party after say 2 months, 3 months, 5
will
months.
not share in the proportional
Just a minute. Whether that party will be entitled for the reserved seats?
No, 3 days. That's why the 3-day limit. That's the rule. That is
you
the
can
rule.
say it's a nonsensical rule.
So I won't say that. It's the constitution.
कानून का मतलब ये है कि उसका हर अल्फाज की अहमियत है।
Yes, so we're giving it.
अजीब सा रूल है। फिर आप ये भी कहते हैं।
नहीं सर, हम नहीं ये कहेंगे. They've given 3 days.
At least speaking for myself, I'm very confused. आप 2 स्टांस ले रहे हैं। एक स्टांस आप ये ले रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने ग्रॉसली इस कोर्ट की जजमेंट को इंटरप्रेट किया गलत।
जी बिल्कुल।
आप एक स्टांस ये ले रहे हैं that you had to be treated as a political party. Now you are arguing that you contested the elections as independent.
That is my legal status.
So, एक second, let me come. Either say that the right is so valuable of the people, which has been violated because of the election commission's per incuriam order. Now that blemish, this court cannot carry with it in future that it was because of this court's judgment that they misinterpreted it and virtually, you see, disenfranchised the voters. Now you have to take one stance. You can't take both the stances.
भाई चले अगर उन्होंने मिसइंटरप्रेट कर लिया, आपने क्यों मिसइंटरप्रेट किया?
नहीं सर, they are the constitutional body.
आप तो नहीं मिसइंटरप्रेट
Sir, they are the constitutional body charged with duty to interpret Article 21(8) to pass any order. मैं अर्ज करूं सर, I am taking 2 positions. One is my express position that in law I was treated as an independent, therefore I had the right to join a party and to be granted or to elect reserved seats for women and non-Muslims. That is one position. But if my lords and my lady are willing to go beyond, pierce through the situation and say that this has all happened because of the actions of the election commission,
My lord, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has correctly stated that we are here to protect the electorate.
I would celebrate that. So I am placing both positions before your lordship and my lady, your lordships. I endeavored to do that on my own. I did what I could, and yes, the appeal was not filed, chamber appeal was not filed, but now it is before your lordship to do.
उसमें थोड़े से फैक्ट्स हैं समाज साहब, जो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिए, आपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के ऑर्डर को हाई कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया, हाई कोर्ट ने रिमांड कर दिया, आपने उस रिमांड ऑर्डर को चैलेंज किया, जबकि दूसरा ऑर्डर जो था इलेक्शन कमीशन का वो आपने कहीं भी चैलेंज नहीं किया।
ये बात तो मानने वाली नहीं, poorly handled by India, and that is exactly what is being surfaced repeatedly. हम आपको कह रहे हैं कितना इंपॉर्टेंट ये केस है, लेकिन आपने क्या किया?
नहीं सर, नहीं, मैं अर्ज करता हूँ, I was fighting it alone. मैं क्या आपको
नहीं, आपको तो नहीं
मैं अर्ज करता हूँ, जो इलेक्शन कमीशन का ऑर्डर है based on the explanation to rule 94, तो वो ठीक है. The vagaries of rule 94 which had to be challenged. What is
You have not challenged that order of the election commission?
वो ऑर्डर तो जब तक explanation rule 94 की खड़ी हुई है वो दुरुस्त है. It is the explanation to rule 94 which had to be struck down.
राजन, we've heard you. आपके कोई और आर्गुमेंट?
सर, एक
ये तो आप रिपीटिशन आ रहे हैं।
सर, मैं नहीं आ रहा, सवाल चूंकि आ रहे थे, मुझे जल्दी से लेट मी रन थ्रू 14 जजमेंट्स 119. सर, आपको मैंने दे दिए, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा.
पढ़ लेंगे।
नहीं, मैं अर्ज कर दूं.
नहीं, हम पढ़ लेंगे।
सर, एक दो है.
3 मानिए पढ़ लेंगे।
सर, it will not take much time at all, not even 10 minutes, I think. ये मैंने आपको नोट
राजेश साहब, आपका केस, राजेश साहब, आपका केस
बता दें किस पॉइंट पे हैं।
पॉइंट ये है,
राजेश साहब, जो केस आपको मैं समझना चाहता हूँ, आपका केस जो मैं समझा हूँ, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, आप चाहते हैं कि क्योंकि आपने एक पार्टी से, पीटीआई से अपना कैंडिडेट जमा किया था, आप पार्टी के रिजर्व सीट पे आपका नाम था, अब चूंकि सारे लोग सुनी इत्तेहाद में चले गए, आप हमसे मांगते हैं कि आप मुझे या सुनी इत्तेहाद के डिक्लेयर कर दो या पीटीआई के।
हम उसलिए मांग रहे हैं ना जी,
चूंकि नहीं पहले आए
और पार्टी
आप यही मांग रहे हैं,
कबूल है,
ये तो उनकी मर्जी, आपको माने या ना माने, तो ऑलरेडी है यहाँ पर।
नहीं सर, मेरी गुजारिश है, हमें इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दिया था।
सॉरी, आपको नहीं किया, पिटिशनर की बात हो रही है।
सर, हमें ओवरऑल बात कर रहे हैं,
बात ना करें, पिटिशनर की बात हो रही है।
पिटिशनर की बात सिर्फ ना करें, the petitioner is here in a representative capacity to get the constitution interpreted. It's very clear. Any voter can come and have the constitution interpreted. She is standing here for the rights of the electorate. The electorate, नहीं सर, इस अपने individual right
पिटिशन में पढ़ रहा हूँ, आपको पिटिशन
में petition is ultimately for the constitution to be implemented.
आप पिटिशन में ये कह रहे हैं कि आपको या पीटीआई का रिजर्व सीट का कैंडिडेट तस्वीर किया जाए या
मुझे जरा ये पढ़ने दें, 5 मिनट मुझे दे सिर्फ, and I'll be done. Kindly see मेरा जो नोट मैंने
आप सवाल नहीं सुनना चाहते ना, जवाब देना चाहते?
मैंने सुन लिया।
जिस तरफ
Sir, I've tried to respond to this question again and again. I'm very grateful, sir, and my apologies. Sir, I have said
चाहते हैं कि मैं कुछ ना नोट
नहीं सर, नहीं, हमने ये कहा है, आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे, सर, मैं दे रहा हूँ. My apologies, sir. My position is this. Since in law I was treated as an independent, I have acted.
You are not independent.
So I say me, I'm not.
Your petitioner, one petitioner, she is candidate of reserve seat. आप उनकी बात कर रहे हैं. आप कैसे दूसरों की बात कर रहे हैं?
Sir, मैं आइन की बात तो कर सकता हूँ ना. I have to assist in the interpretation of the Constitution. It is not just a personal grievance; it is the interpretation of the Constitution. So I may not be restricted to just my individual situation. I'm helping.
एडिशन में आप ये कहें कि ये मेरा क्लेम है. एडिशन में आप ये करना चाहते हैं?
जी मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. So आप आइन को इंटरप्रेट करेंगे तो मेरा जो भी कोई राइट बनता है आप मुझे देंगे. So I am trying to assist in the interpretation of the constitutional scheme. And my submission is, had I not been declared independent, there would have been no problem. As PTI, we already had a list filed. I would have been elected, and I would have had the benefit of the list filed with additional names given, which the law allows me to give. But because I was treated as an independent, the situation has arisen, as my Lord Justice Athar Manilla is pointing out. Now, Lord, coming to the principles involved in this, the principles will determine the interpretation of 51(6)(b) and (e). And these principles, I have very quickly stated. I'll spend no time at all. Kindly see page 4 of my note. Page 4 of my note, and I'll just rush through. This will take no time at all. I have referred to the case of Mian Nawaz Sharif versus President PLT 93, Supreme Court 473, paragraph 17, page 674. In this paper book, it is at page 3, where they have said that representative form of government, exercise of the sovereignty vested by the Almighty in the people through chosen representatives, is a cardinal central feature of the Constitution, and all constitutional principles converge at this point, that representativeness is the heart, is the foundation of our constitutional scheme. So all constitutional provisions should be interpreted keeping this in view. I've placed that, page 674, page 3 of this paper book. So representative nature of our assembly is the guiding principle when interpreting any provision. Then I go on to the landmark judgment in the case of Tahir Sadiq versus Faisal Ali. This is 2024 SCMR 775, judgment by my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah. And I very quickly point to pages 8 and 9 in this paper book, where again your lordships have held that the entire purpose of the Constitution is to create representative government. The very first 4 lines at page 8. In this democratic process,